On to the latest on the sprawling power abuse scandal involving President Park Geun-hye and a number of top officials. The independent counsel in charge of the investigation is pursuing another avenue to secure the right to search the presidential office. That after having been turned away more than once. How do they plan to do just that? Hwang Hojun brings us up to speed.
A week ago, investigators from the independent counsel left the presidential office empty-handed after a 5-hour standoff with staff. Now the team is seeking help from the administrative court. The team's spokesperson said on Friday afternoon that the independent counsel will ask the court to override the presidential office's rejection of its warrant to search the compound.
We will file a request seeking a suspension of the presidential official's rejection of the search. We're going to seek the court's judgment on whether their refusal of the search is legitimate.
The team also said it will file a lawsuit against the president's chief of staff and her chief security officer, who submitted the statement of refusal to the team, citing security concerns. While the country's criminal law states that military facilities and other areas that handle classified information cannot be searched without approval from the person in charge, the law also prohibits that person from refusing to grant consent unless doing so would go against the national interest. The team's warrant for Cheongwade expires on February 28th. According to the spokesperson, while the court could overrule the presidential office's excuse for blocking the search, if it says the refusal was valid, a search of the presidential office compound will become impossible. A tug-of-war is still going on between the independent counsel team and the presidential office over both the botched raid and the face-to-face questioning of the president. The focus will be on the court's decision, which is expected to be made by next week. Hwang Hojun, Arirang News.